So welcome once again to our channel. Thank you to our listeners and viewers that are always tuning in. Like I promised to come with more juicy stories, and I'm keeping to my promise, yes. And my promise to bring more and more hot news and stories and gossip and gist to our beautiful listeners and viewers. So all you need to do is to click on the subscription button and the notification button so that you won't miss out. Yes, because if you do not, you will definitely miss out. And do not forget to drop your comment in the comment section, like this video, and feel free to share. So now let's get down to today's discussion. So for those of you that are complaining about this whole breaking record Coca-Thon happening in Nigeria, I have good news for you. You need not to worry, because there's another lady that wants to break a record. But this time around, she's not cooking. In our previous videos, I've talked about Hilda Baci. When she started the whole Coca-Thon, she was highly supported by a lot of Nigerians. But when Chef Dami, the Ekiti-based chef, decided to do her own Coca-Thon, a lot of people were not happy. This didn't sit well with a lot of Nigerians, because like I stated in our previous videos, people were saying that, oh, Hilda has not yet gotten her own certificate. Guinness World Record has not confirmed her record-breaking attempt. And are you trying to take it out of her hand by trying to cook? Because Hilda cooked for 100 hours and Chef Dami decided to cook for 120 hours. And Nigerians, honestly, everybody was not happy with all of these. And Chef Dami received a lot of backlash at the time of her own Coca-Thon. Then another chef decided to, follow suit. I guess she's not even scared or worried about what Nigerians will say. She just wants to do it because for the kind of backlash that Chef Dami received during her own time, anybody trying to come up should be scared, because Nigerians can make you and they can marry you. Just don't be in their black book. A lot of people that is in the black book of Nigerians know what they are facing now. Honestly, the internet would be on fire. It would be very, very hot. So another lady who is based in Ondo State, Chef Adeye Adeola. If you've not watch our previous video I made about her, please kindly go and watch it. She decided to come up with her own Coca-Thon in Ondo State, and she said she will be cooking for 150 hours, and she has started already. And there's another chef in Ibadan. Like I said, this one will soon be a 36 state something. Yeah, so whichever state win, congratulations. But it's just a joke. There was a speculation that there will be another chef that will be doing his own in September. Guinness World Record has approved his own. Yeah, but we are not sure. We are still speculating. So for today's discussion, it is not about a Coca-Thon, but this time around, it is Massage-A-Thon. Since people complain that everybody should go and break another record and not the whole Coca-Thon, hopefully Nigerians will support her. Somebody has decided to do an entire different thing. Yeah, she has decided to massage for 70 hours in attempt to break record for the longest massaging hour, massaging time, Massage-A-Thon, whatever name you want to put it. Her name is Lady Ijeoma Joyce. Yes. So for those who do not know, she has started her own. And this is a trending topic and discussion on the internet. So she has started hers, and she has been massaging non-stop for the past 18 hours. So her attempts is just 70 hours. I hope God give her the strength, because that one is not easy. massaging people, your hands are moving. I don't know if she has time to rest, but definitely Guinness will give them time to rest, because at the time Hilda was doing hers, the time was about 5 minutes in between the whole hours. But she has started her own. At least this time around, she's not cooking. I hope she gets the support that she deserves, because it is not easy. But big ups to everyone that has decided to break one thing or the other. Yes, it is not easy to wake up and start cooking. Cooking alone, it's like an exercise. It's a chore on its own. So imagine you cooking for 100, 200, whatever hours you're cooking. Big ups to every one of them. And as Chef Adeola has decided to do hers, I hope she get recognized, and I hope she do it well, because it's one thing to do it, it's one thing to follow the rules. So, and hopefully she has actually applied first, because Chef Dami did not get approved before she applied for hers. That is why her own record was not confirmed. So I hope she has taken, Chef Adeola has taken the proper steps, so it would not be a waste. And big ups also to Lady Ijeoma Joyce for her own Massage-A-Thon. It is actually not easy, and I wish her nothing but the best. So thank you once again for tuning our channel. Please, before you close this video, click on the subscription button, yes, and the notification button. It is very, very important because we'll be bringing you A-list gist and A-list news. So if you're not notified, how would you get to know? Yeah, so that's the reason why you need to click on the notification button to get notified once I drop new videos. And do not forget to like this video, drop your comment in the comment section. If you want to break any record, if there's anything you know how to do and you know how to do it well, be it sleeping, eating, put in the comment section and just go and break your own record. Yes, definitely, if you do it well and you follow the rules and you apply, Guinness will definitely recognize you. All that is doing well is what doing well, or however they put it. So thank you once again for tuning our channel. See you next time. Do have a wonderful day.